Okay, welcome to the new crypto Bitcoin portfolio update, that or whatever it does, not fucking matter. Welcome back, and we're gonna start it right off the bat where we left that last time, which was around 10 days ago. We kind of had another update 3 or 4 days ago, but to be completely honest with you, I mean, we were playing the same entry. Really, like the update 4 days ago was just a video for there to be. So let's just go back to when we said the 4 hour right here was tapping this S&D, this 4 hour S&D, and we're basically targeting this high right here that you can see in the video, right? And then also for Ethereum, if I'm not mistaken, let's go to where, yeah, we had the Solana fractal. Let's not forget the fractal. Actually, let's just go first to Bitcoin and just pick up where we left last. Okay, so last time we talked, or you guys saw this video, I told you guys that I was going to, oh my god, how the fuck did that all get deleted? Is this true? Is this true, chat? Okay, well, I can't delete all these fucking things. So basically, last time we talked, we were inside of this S&D right here. We're gonna use this paint right here to show you guys. But yeah, basically, we were inside of this S&D. Price was in this candle, and we were dropping whatever. I told you guys that I was gonna wait for a 3 a.m. candle inside of this S&D, and that's what I did. I ended up having an average entry around here. I can show you on Bybit. I already realized a couple 10 grand on it in like a week, so it's something. It's really nothing. I'm targeting a lot higher, and I still have $15,000 of profit in there. As you guys can see, 14,000 Canadian, 22,000 Canadian, whatever. 1,000% return in that motherfucking trade. Nothing too crazy. But yeah. Okay, so we were inside of that. And then we ended up getting an average entry, like I was saying, of where the fuck does it say? Entry price of 95,590. That was around all the way here at the bottom. Somewhere around here, this triple M I ended up entering. That's what I told you guys. And lo and behold, we got that. And this was the trade, right? I told you guys I was going to be targeting the all-time high. I took a big chunk at the all-time high. That's why we have some profit. And now we ended up making a new all-time high. It's kind of crazy that I'm showing you guys how to trade tops, right? A lot of people are scared. They're like, yo, this cannot keep going on higher, higher, higher. No. And like I say, you trade the trend up until the trend is no longer the fucking trend. What I mean by that, that means that up until the higher time frames, the 3-day, right? 3-day, daily, are bearish, I will be entering 4 hour triple M's inside of a 4 hour S&D. That's what we're doing. That's all we're doing. The only reason I'm not going to be entering this 4 hour triple M here, if we do get the mitigation in the mitigation, is because there's no point. There's no point for me to do that. I'm already inside of a trade. I'm good to go. So as long as we keep on going up, we're still good to go. But if any of you are sidelined, all I would do, if I wasn't in myself right now, what I would do, pay attention because it's the same thing. I told you the numbers of the S&D. I said it was going to be an entry between $97,085 and $94,698. And that's exactly what I did, and it's exactly what I'm going to be doing. So if price comes here, gives you a 3M candle, for more of the concepts, you guys know where to find all this. The 3Ms, there's a reason I have it tatted on me. It's made me $1 million in the last year. 3M right there, baby. Get that shit. Just head over to the description or go to my Instagram and DM me, and my team will get in contact with you to see if you're a good fit to be, part of my students. But get a 3M candle. Boom. That's the play. New all-time high. Of course, if it breaks down, then what are we going to do? We're going to be playing this S&D, the 2.0, waiting for a 3M down here, and boom. I'd rather have this. That's why I'm not going to be touching it. Because if we do come back to here, depending on how price is moving, and we get a mitigation between, I'm about to tell you the exact prices. It's actually right here. So if we get a mitigation from this S&D 2.0, like I say, all the concepts are taught to my students. If we get a mitigation here, a 3M candle right down here. I will be offloading higher, bigger clips than before. I even went on a podcast and told everyone that I was long when price was around here, like 3-4 days ago. Okay, like 6 days ago. I don't fucking know. Don't really care to be fucking that right. But yeah, that's the plan. So recap for BTC. Still bullish. Still looking for longs. $115,000. That's just my mental profit. Honestly, you could go higher, could go lower. I don't really give a fuck. I'm happy to take all of my profit there for BTC and just wait for it to start breaking down, give me a reset, and offload bigger clips, bigger size. At this point, we're playing just with profit, so nothing really matters. Account-wise, I think we're sitting at 200,000 Canadian, or 125 grand from 50,000. So that's pretty good. Also, okay, so that's that. Pretty good. On other hands, I'm getting some of that Pengu tomorrow. I'm getting it airdropped, which is pretty good. I'm happy about it. Free money. And then I think, and I'm gonna keep saying it, NFTs are back. And this Pengu fucking coin bullshit is gonna make NFTs like this. Look, boom, sky, heavens. Watch. That's why everything that I'm selling, like holding right now, you guys, I showed you guys that I bought a lot of Mad Leds under 35 SOL. Look at where they're sitting at. So I'm gonna keep giving you as much free shit as I can, bro. But finally changed the email on my Bybit too. If you guys see a different name, I was using yeah. Okay, so let's move over to Ethereum. Now that we're done with Bitcoin, just enter an Ethereum trade. Just a little bit. I added some right down here at the top. I have more. Hopefully we can go back lower on this 4-hour S&D. But you guys know what the fuck the drill is, bro. At this point, just type in the comments. What do you think the play is? What do you think my entry is? After seeing everything that I have here, entry-wise, what do you think my entry is for the 4-hour at least? Leave it in the comments, please. Please, I'll wait, because I know you're smart. If you're still watching all the way up to this point, you've been watching for almost 10 minutes. You know, because these videos are boring as fuck. Let's keep it a buck. I'm just explaining to you my plan. This is just what I do. Right? I'm not here for the clicks. I'm not here for the views. This is like a journal. But yeah, hopefully you got that right. We are playing the 4-hour S&D with a 3M candle. So this is the play. And of course, you guys can see the upside on Ethereum. I mean, yeah, here's the all-time high around $4,867. So yeah, bullish. Why am I still bullish? I'm gonna repeat myself once again. I mean, like, it's the perfect delivery. I mean, you know, we're bearish, and then guess what happens? Bullish break, mitigation of the 3-day S&D, targeting past high, boom. And not only that, so that puts us in a good fucking model there. Not only that, same thing on the weekly, perfect mitigation of the weekly S&D. Daily, what is it doing? 5 breaks to the upside. That's the only thing that I don't really like about Ethereum, is that it's a bit overextended for me, at least on the daily. But fuck it. We're here to make money, not be a fucking bitch. So yeah, everything is in bullish models, 3-day, daily, and now we can look at the 4-hour. What's the 4-hour doing? Is it in a bullish model? Yes, it is. It's in a reaccumulation model. We had the reset that I told you guys. I'm pretty sure last week. Let's just go back to the video. What do we have? Solana. I wish this had timestamps. Is this it? I think somewhere here. Yeah, I think this is it. So we had that S&D in the 4-hour. Let me see which one it was. Damn. So last time we talked, it was around here. Hey, that's kind of crazy. I'm pretty sure also the video that from 3 days ago has the other one. Wait, December 6th. Where the fuck was price on December 6th? Oh, okay. So last time we talked, price was around here. It didn't have the break as yet with the pullback. So that's why I said here. So basically, after we had this break, all we needed was a reset because it was too overextended in the hourly. I'm pretty sure we had 7 breaks up on the 4 hours. Sorry. So yeah, I did say I was gonna be looking for 3M entries right here. Lo and behold, same thing as Bitcoin, a little bit different because of the model, because Bitcoin was not breaking down, but the 4 hour was. But Ethereum in the 4 hour was. So I just waited exactly like here. You guys can see it. It was the exact same thing. Mitigation right there. I gave you the numbers. You can go and watch it again. I told you I was going to be looking for entries in the S&D between 35.98 and 3,539, maybe 3,540. Doesn't really matter. Lo and behold, that's what we did. I did end up taking profit on this one around here just because the Bitcoin dominance was going really, really high. So I was like, yo, you know, let's just take some profit here. I do want to say, like, I put my main focus on Bitcoin. So anything I'm trading on the altcoins, Ethereum, Solana, all that goes back into Bitcoin just to like really fucking, especially because the dominance is still high. So yeah. Yeah. And then Solana, I mean, it's just dying, bro. With the unlocks and everything, I don't really talk about news that much, but yeah, there's too many FTX unlocks and other unlocks, and people are selling. So there's not really much of anything. I mean, right now there is technically an entry, but I have no interest in putting my money here just yet. Like, yeah, you could just do this. You know, if you really like Solana, I'm already really exposed to it because you guys know I have over $1 million in Sol invested just on spot. So, and staked actually now. So in between $216 and $211, yeah, the plan would be to target this past highs. So it would look something like this. I'll probably just mark this out just so I can say I was right because it'll most likely happen. I'd rather put my money somewhere else. So that's the target for Solana. If any of you want to do it, you know, you can see that's what we've been doing this whole time. It's been working out pretty good. But I don't fucking care, really. Maybe if we get, actually I'll enter. If we get a 3M candle, let me put the alert for the 3M candle here. I'll enter this. I'm okay with entering this. It's part of the rules and it's in the top 3. And yeah, basically all the alts are going to shit. Fuck, I think I'm getting sick. This shit, I am so glad I sold this at the top, bro. It just went to shit. There's never good airdrops, to be honest, like that. They usually just go to shit. This ended up being, I think, break even. I don't know what else I said I was in. I'm pretty sure I was in Pepe. No. And then this week I took 2 L's on Pepe. Here you can't really see them, but I took 2 L's. And I'm not in this right now. I was just marking it out earlier. But besides that, that's basically, you know, that's really it. Bullish. And we'll keep on being bullish up until we're no longer bullish. Crazy statement. But yeah, as always, thank you for watching. Quick little update for you guys. Weekly update, or, you know, I do 2 or 3 a week. I don't really know. So if you want to make a lot of money, subscribe. Turn your noties on. I'm going to keep making these very often. And that portfolio is going to be at $1 million. The derivatives portfolio is going to be at $1 million in the before the summer of 2025. All right, subscribe. Let me know in the comments whatever the fuck you want to let me know. Check all the links in the description. DM me on Instagram if you want to become a student, I guess. And no, throw all that. Believe in yourself. Thank you for watching. I need to go hit the fucking gym. I've been feeling, actually I went out and that's why. That's the excuse. Not really an excuse. But yeah, I'm yapping. I want to hit 14 minutes for some reason. Like this shit. Peace out.